Okay.
Sixth grade Excel lesson 101, reciprocals, otherwise known as reflipricals. Do you know how to do reflipricals?
I do.
You don't know reciprocals yet?
No.
Oh, of course not, because you haven't gotten this lesson. Okay, so in studio today we have a live audience, especially Eden. Eden's learning how to do this, right, Eden? She's one, so that's plenty old enough to know how to do reciprocals. We have Kaylee and Emma and Mrs. Rettinger and Abby and Taylor back on the computer. Big studio audience here. Okay, two numbers whose product is 1 are called reciprocals. They are the inverse of one another. Well, that's meaning, that sounds very complicated. Actually, what you're saying when you talk about the reciprocal, whoa, don't do that, is you take fraction 1/2 and you flip it over to be 2 ones. That's the reciprocal, the refliprical. Get it?
Oh,
So,
yeah.
pause the video, and everybody just pause the video and stand on your head for a short period of time, and I want you to say reciprocal over and over again to get it into your head that a reciprocal is flipping the fraction upside down.
I can do that on the wall.
Yeah, you could do that. Can you do it? Can you flip?
Kind of, but I guess here.
But then people aren't going to be able to see you at home, so that's kind of boring. But anyway, when you multiply the reciprocal times the original fraction, you always get 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 twos. 2 twos is equal to 1. See, you multiply the reciprocal times itself. Got it? You get it now? Okay. Reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Okay? 3, because 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. The reciprocal is just flipping the fraction upside down. You got that now, Emma?
Yeah.
Too easy?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when it's a whole number, you got to make the whole number a fraction before you can find the reciprocal. So what's the reciprocal of 4?
4 over 1. I mean 1 over 4.
1 over 4. Good. Reciprocal of 4 is 1/4. Okay, pause the video, do 3 through 6, and then we're going to have the answers for you in just a second. Okay, who wants to do this?
So the reciprocal for 5 over 7 is 7 over 5. Then this one is 3 over 1.
What is 3 over 1?
The reciprocal of 1.
What is 3 over 1? Can you write it differently than 3 over 1?
Yeah, 3.
Okay, cross that out and just make it a 3.
And then
Okay.
this one you have to make it into a fraction, and then that would equal to 1/8.
Yeah, that's the reciprocal of 8 is 1/8. They're not equal to each other. It's just called the reciprocal of it, right?
And then this one is 4/3.
Beautiful. Too easy. Okay, it says multiply 3 by the reciprocal of 7. Now watch out for these. A lot of times people do 3 times 7. So they're multiplying 3 times the reciprocal of 7, which is 1/7. To do 3 times 1 is 3. And this is a 1 down there, an invisible 1, right? 1 times 7. So the answer is 3/7. Multiply 2 by the reciprocal of 3/7. 2 by the reciprocal of 3/7, which is 7/3. 2 times 7 is 14. 1 times 3 is 3. 14/3 is equal to 4 2/3 because 3 goes into 14 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. Remainder 2. 4 2/3. On the next screen, first write in the numbers given in words, then solve the problem. So I'm going to have you try these on your own. It gives you the little words right here. That goes in here. And then you solve the problem. So pause the video and then give these 4 problems a shot, and then we're going to have the answers for you after you unfreeze the video. Kaylee, want to do these?
Okay.
There goes Kaylee. The pen's being kind of weird, so you got to push pretty hard.
Okay. So you multiply 1/2. By 3/4. The reciprocal is 4/3, and that equals 4 over 6. And you can you can simplify that.
into 2/3. Whatever, you know.
Okay. Emma, you want to do the next one? Number 10.
So
And multiply 2/3 by the reciprocal of 3. What's the reciprocal of 3?
1/3. Which is
Don't forget your equal sign. Okay, that's good. You got the answer right there. Okay, Kaylee, you want to do the next one?
Okay. Multiply 6 by, okay. So 6 by, well, you have to put a 1 under it because you just do. And then by 1/2, and the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1 equals 12/1, which equals 12.
Okay, and here goes Emma with the last one.
okay. That's 5/8 times 5/8
25/64. Beautiful. Okay, we got all the right answers. I think that's the last page. Thanks for watching.